Do you want to know how to back up or restore your Samsung phone to secure your data? Well, here is how you can back up or restore your data on your phone. So let's dive into it. Method 1. Using General Management Settings. First, go to the Settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the General Management. Scroll down again. Next, tap on Reset. Here you will find two options. One, temporary cloud backup, where you can back up your data for up to 30 days. And another one is external storage backup, where you will back up your data to an SD card or USB storage device. Like, I'm going to choose the first one. To do that, tap on temporary cloud backup. After that, tap on backup data. Here it will ask you for your file permission. Now, tap on more to see more files. Tap allow to go forward. After that, it will start backing up your data. Method 2. Using accounts and backup settings. Open the settings again, then scroll down. After that, tap on accounts and backup. If you want to back up your data on your Samsung Cloud, then tap on backup data under the Samsung Cloud. Now enable the files you want to back up, and then tap on backup now from the below. It will start backing up your data on the Samsung Cloud. If you want to back up your data on your Google Drive, then tap on Backup Data under the Google Drive. Before that, make sure to log in with your Gmail. Now select what you want to back up. Then tap Confirm. Tap Manage Backup. That's it. That's all for today. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to drop a thumbs up. See you in the next video.